Boys and girls, we're going to be doing 2 pages in our Journeys Reader's Notebook. This is Grade 1, Volume 1. We're doing pages 193 and 194 this is Lesson 13. So these are just a couple review pages. On this one, we're going to be drawing lines to match the naming parts to the action parts. And then we're going to read the statements we make about this picture. So our sentences actually have to match this picture. So it says, Jill, okay, waters the plants. Let's see, is there a girl watering plants? No, she's digging. No, she's looking. So Jill takes a nap. Nope, there's no girl taking a nap. Jill digs in the mud. That's her. That must be Jill right there. So now let's see what Fred is doing. Fred is going to be one of these two. Okay, so Fred waters the plants. Well, let's see what the other boy's name is. The dad. Okay, so it can't be him because the dad is watering the plants. So Fred takes a nap. No. Fred is looking. No. Fred holds a box of plants. Yes. Holds. Okay, what does he do? He holds a box of plants. The mom, that's the mom. It looks like the mom waters the plants. Nope. The mom takes a nap. Nope. The mom is looking. Yes. So this subject and this verb, when we put them together, match the picture. The dad waters the plants. Yep, the dad is watering the plants. So this is the subject, the dad, and what does he do? What's the action? He waters the plants. Okay, and finally, the cat. See the cat? There's one sentence part left. Takes a nap. The cat takes a nap. So now it says choose one of these statements and write it, adding adjectives or other details. Okay, so shall we say the mom is looking? Let's just use that. We don't have a lot of space, so I don't know about adjectives and details, but let's write the mom is looking because it's the shortest and it might fit. The finger space mom. Make sure your M, O, and M are ducking underneath the lines, are they? The mom is, see how I put spaces between my words? The mom is looking. So, look. Then I have to add the inflection I-N-G. That means she's doing it right now. The mom is looking. Put a period. All right, we're done with this one. One more, and we're done with all our Lesson 13 Reader's Notebook practice pages. So we're talking about how we have to add S to a verb, that means to an action word, when it tells about a noun that names one. And we're not going to add an S to a verb, that means an action word, when it tells about a noun that names more than one. So we're going to have to fix these mistakes. And they did the first one for us. It says, David put on his coat. So it's supposed to say David puts on his coat. Okay, because I want you to know that's happening right now. You got to have an S because David's only one person. Don get his sled. Whoops. Did they forget to put an S? Okay, so we're going to strike that out and go like this, curlicue, and we're going to write gets. G-E-T-S. We have to do it in our 3rd grade handwriting because there's not much space there. Okay, so we added the S, so now the subject and the verb agree. Don gets his sled. Jan and Nick plays in the sand. Hey, Jan and Nick That's more than one. So this should not have an S. So I'm going to go ahead and I want to just strike it out. We're going to take it out and we're going to put play. Jan and Nick play in the sand. Now we say, Nick, make a hill of sand. Ugh, that hurts my ears. Nick makes a hill of sand. You have to add an S to that verb to make it agree with Nick. Nick makes. So we're going to strike it out and we're going to write makes. Makes with adding an S. Okay, next we have the dog jump in the grass. The dog jumps in the grass. So we're going to strike out jump and write down jumps because dog means one. There's one dog, and the rule is you have to add S to a verb, which is jump, when it tells about a noun that names one. So you have to add that S right there. Deb and Don finds a cat. It should be find a cat because Deb and Don, that's more than one kid. So the verb does not have an S. So we're going to strike it out and we're going to put the word find. Deb and Don find a cat. Okay, that's your grammar practice for the day. Thank you for being here and listening and being such hard workers. Bye-bye.